In the travel gear world, lightweight luggage is a cornerstone of efficiency, airline fee mitigation, and packing flexibility. The best options balance weight, durability, organization, and maneuverability, while still offering price-conscious choices. To deliver an evidence-based perspective, this review assesses 5 lightweight suitcases across a spectrum of use cases. Product number 1. Swiss Gear Scion Soft Side Expandable Luggage. The Swiss Gear Scion is a soft-side, expandable checked bag designed for trips up to a week. It weighs 9.5 pounds and offers 44 liters of capacity, 70 liters total with expansion, with 4 360-degree spinner wheels and multiple handles for versatile lifting. Its durable polyester fabric, full interior lining, and adjustable tie-down straps aim to balance bulk resistance with organizational convenience. And it is backed by a 10-year warranty, signaling long-term confidence in construction and materials. Performance and user experience. In real-world use, the Scion's soft-shell construction can absorb minor impacts while providing generous packing space and flexible organization. The 360-degree wheels make navigating crowded terminals easier. Product number 2. U.S. Traveler Born Polycarbonate Hard-Side Rugged Travel Suitcase Luggage with 8 spinner wheels. This 30-inch checked hard-side luggage from U.S. Traveler uses polycarbonate with a waterproof exterior and 8 360-degree spinner wheels. It weighs 9.23 pounds and features a clamshell design with a fully lined interior, zippered center divider, and tie-down straps for secure packing. The exterior dimensions approach 29.5-inch height by 19.25-inch width by 12-inch depth, maximizing packing space while meeting most airline dimensional requirements for oversized checked bags. Performance and user experience? The hard shell provides confident impact resistance and weather protection, making it well-suited for delicate or bulky items. The 8 spinner design enhances stability and smooth rolling on varied surfaces. Product number 3. Travel Inspira Luggage Scale. The Travel Inspira Luggage Scale is a compact, budget-oriented accessory designed to help travelers avoid overweight baggage fees. It supports up to 110 pounds and ships with a battery included, featuring a hanging digital readout and a small form factor for easy packing in carry-ons or checked luggage. Performance and user experience. As a non-luggage component, its value comes from preventing surprise overage charges rather than influencing carry-on dimensions. It's straightforward to use. Simply attach to the luggage handle, raise until the display stabilizes, and read the weight. The limited price point makes it an attractive add-on, though durability under rough handling or frequent drops could be a concern, given the compact plastic housing and electronics. Product number 4. Samsonite Serre LTE Soft Side Expandable Luggage with Spinner Wheels. The Samsonite Serre LTE Soft Side set combines 3 sizes, carry-on, medium, and large, with expandability and a dual spinner wheel system. The set uses 100% polyester with a padded top and side carry handles, compression straps, and a 1-inch expansion option for extra packing room. Weighing 28 pounds for the large set, it emphasizes versatility and long-haul travel readiness while delivering organized compartments and pockets for efficient packing. Performance and user experience. The Serre LTE line prioritizes glide and comfort with dual spinner wheels and a robust expansion feature. The heavyweight construction and a 3-piece set improves value for frequent travelers who need matched luggage across sizes. Product number 5. Travel Pro Max Light 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage with 4 spinner wheels. Travel Pro Max Light 5 is a lightweight soft-side suitcase designed for international carry-on use and compact packing. It weighs 5.4 pounds and expands up to 2 inches, delivering 46 liters of capacity. The case utilizes stain-resistant polyester with a water-resistant DuraGuard coating, plus recycled interior lining for eco-conscious credentials. The 360-degree spinner wheels and PowerScope light handle with multiple height stops enhance comfort and control during travel. Performance and user experience. The MaxLite 5 is optimized for travelers who value a truly light footprint without sacrificing durability or packing versatility. Its 2-inch expansion supports extra packing during return trips or longer trips,